Welcome back. In the last video, I talked about the importance of a balanced mind and how to achieve it. This is the fourth video in this series called Daily Thoughts Series. Consider a situation where you have introspected and found something that you are not proud of. Some situation where you could have done something better or something that you could have handled in a better way and failed to do so. Do you ever have these episodes? Well, I bet you do. I want to ask you, how do you deal with these thoughts that bring up a little bitterness or guilt or shame even? A mind that has been trained to harsh behavior or feelings towards itself criticizes itself on the first cue of failure. It's the same with everyone who has been a part of educational system where you compete with others and anything shorter than expected of you will be judged, sometimes brutally, by teachers, parents, relatives, and worst of all, by you. You cannot control anyone else. That is a bad karma, controlling anyone else. But you can harness your own thoughts. Let me paint a picture for you. You are rowing a boat in the sea. You are the only one there. You should have faith and trust in that boat that will help you out safely out of the water. Even if your boat has a hole in it, you still keep faith in the boat that it will hold still. A little hole means nothing when the rest of the boat is there helping you to survive long enough for you to find a solution. The boat is your friend and you keep faith in it. Can we do it to ourselves? Can we be kind to ourselves when we fail to do something? Because when we trust our friend, really good things happen. A little kindness and love towards ourselves go a long way and paves a path for goodness. So, when you have connected to yourself by asking, what am I thinking right now? And the floodgates of inner thoughts open and you realize things about yourself, you first be kind to yourself and tell yourself that it is okay. If you have liked this video, do consider liking and sharing this video so that YouTube algorithm suggests this video to others who may enjoy these videos as you have. Subscribing channels won't cost you anything on YouTube, but it will mean everything to me. So please hit the subscribe button and stay connected to my channel, for there will be great content waiting for you. If you have suggestions for my channel, you can comment below. I'll see you in the next one.